Here we have the superstars of the LKGD who will synchronize for the song Kaatukuile with vigor and enthusiasm, which is the last item of today's extravaganza.
This lively dance has been choreographed by our students Sudeshana of 7A and Shweta of 7B and shaped to perfection by Mrs. Kanchana, mother teacher of LKGD. Ladies and gentlemen, we give to you last but not the least, Bogi Tiruvizha.
We'll